Alright, so we have this MOKUME-GANE band. It's been sanded up to 1,000. We are going to sand it up to 3,000. So in between here and there we have 1,500. I think 2,000 and a 3,000. I'm not sure if I have anything between 2 and 3. That'll be fine though. The pattern has just not really been applied. It's been hit just so I can see what's going on. And we're going to basically take it off here again and reapply it. So, first round of sanding, 1,000 grit. Wet sand, here we go. Okay, now the band, I'm sorry for my editing, I'll get better. But my band has been polished up to a high mirror shine, as you can see. And at this particular level, doesn't really look like MOKUME-GANE. But this is why you always have to look a little deeper. That's saying you can't judge a book by its cover. There's some real merit here. You can't judge a band by its finish. Let's give it a quench. Okay, my primary metal combination on this particular ring was, once again, is my primary combination anyway, is 800 and fine silver and 800 grade silver. European silverware, antique European silverware. Much of it was made from 800 silver. A lot of Canadian coins are made from 800 silver. You can just basically make it your own. I alloy it myself by using wheat pennies. I like them. American wheat pennies that have, the wheat chefs on the back. Those pennies are pure copper. I mix one of those with 0.8 of an ounce of pure silver. And we have, no, I'm sorry, 2 of those. Okay, 80% silver, 20% copper. Gives you a very, very nice alloy. That alloy oxidizes wonderfully. Hit it with a little bit of heat and it turns jet black. Fine silver, on the other hand, will not oxidize under any circumstances. So what you get is 2 different metals that are made from the same base metal, very, very similar in nature, so they're easy to bond. A little too easily, actually. If you're not careful, the whole thing melts. But they're easy to work together. Once you get them bonded, it's a dream. And upon a little bit of heat, one gets clean, one gets jet black. In the world of MOKUME-GANE, contrast is everything, and there is not much more of there is not a starker contrast than that. So these videos are going to be dedicated to making more or less these and other types of MOKUME-GANE, but the beauty is my method will work on just about any variation. It works exceptionally well on 18 karat. I know because I've made quite a few of them. 18 karat rose gold snake. Oh, let me get that for better view. My hands are filthy, so I don't want to touch it. 18 karat sterling silver rose gold snake. Fine silver 800 rose gold. Fine silver and 800 silver snake. So it works just as well with gold, with silver, and with alloys such as copper, shibuchi. Well, copper isn't an alloy. I'm looking for my shibuchi rings. I can't find them. Just the same. The theory is sound, so I'm going to be producing videos on this content to show you how to do that. So, if that's what you want to learn how to do, hit subscribe, hit the like button, pass it along, and we'll be back. Dirty hands, clean results. Once again, my name is Salvatore Tigliano, and I'm going to be your guide on this little journey. I wish I had one, but I'll do my best to fill the gap for you. So, tell your friends, come back. Handmade means exactly what it should here. Alright, final prep. Matte finish has been applied to the outside. Inside is all nice and shiny. We're going to redo that after the pattern's put on. But, once again, not there. And there it is. Look at that. Now that is contrast. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Just wanted to give you guys a last glimpse. Final state. Completely polished, finished. And I am quite happy with that. Keep watching these videos and we'll see if we can get everybody else making it. And I'm not just a maker of this stuff, I'm a fan. I want to see more of it. So My job is to get that out there. And that's what I hope to do. All right, that's the end of it for today. I'll see you guys soon.